Hello all, welcome back to session 8 of intelligence chapter. Today we will be discussing about genetic influences on intelligence. Learning objectives. How does genetics plays its role in intelligence? How research studies have proved the role of genetics with regards to intelligence. Session outcome: understanding the importance of genetics in inheriting intelligence, understanding genetic influence through different research works. Genes undoubtedly influence on intelligence. Researchers recently have found genetic markers for intelligence on 3 chromosomes. One of these genetic markers was shown to be carried by about 1/3 of children with high IQs, but by only 1/6 of children with average IQs. In one study, Arthur Jensen claims that intelligence is primarily inherited and that environment and culture play only a minimal role in intelligence. Jensen reviewed the research on intelligence, much of which involved comparisons of identical and fraternal twins. Identical twins have the same genetic makeup. If intelligence is genetically determined, Jensen reasoned identical twins' IQs should be similar. Jensen found a very high positive correlation in the intelligence of identical twins and only an average correlation in the intelligence of fraternal twins. The concept of heritability, the variance in a population that can be attributed to genetics, is used to sort out the effects of heredity and environment. The heritability index is computed using correlational statistical technique that measures genetic influence. The highest degree of heritability is 1.00 and the correlations of 0.70 and above showed strong genetic influence. Researchers found that the heritability of intelligence increases from as low as 35% in childhood to as high as 75% in adulthood. Session summary. Twin studies suggest that identical twins' IQs are more similar than those of fraternal twins. Siblings reared together in the same home have IQs that are more similar than those of adopted children raised together in the same environment. In addition to inherited characteristics, other biological factors such as maternal age, prenatal exposure to harmful substances, and prenatal malnutrition may also influence intelligence.